Hi everyone, myself Mr. Angotu Saida, Assistant Professor in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, KG Reddy College of Engineering Technology, Hyderabad. I'm going to take a lecture on a digital system design, which is for second BTech, first semester, R18 regulation. A heartily welcome to my lecture. See here, department vision we are having. First unit, number systems and Boolean algebra. Yeah. Content of the today class will discuss about digital systems, number based systems, complements, Boolean algebra, canonical and standard forms. Here, what we mean by digital system? How do we have? What are the various types of number systems and their conversions? How do we go for complement the numbers in various number systems? What is the importance of Boolean algebra? And also we'll look into the canonical and the standard forms. All digital systems. In the form of digital, the data has to be transformed in digitally. So we can call it as a discrete system. We know continuous and digital. Continuous nothing but analog systems and discrete system. Okay. Let us see what do we call a discrete data. Example, a 26 letters of the alphabet A, comma, B, C, D up to end all are called the discrete data. Similar way, 10 digits of decimal numbers are also be a discrete data. If you see the graph I'm showing you here, this is the data which we are showing a continuous. This is the way we have the discrete data. Okay, so every instant of time only that data will be there, remaining time will be 0. If you observe in continuous signal, each and every instant of time the amplitude of the signal also varies. Okay, that is what the analog and the discrete digital difference. Okay, so let us see a combined together form boards are made of letters, example university or whatever it is. Numbers are made of digits like 4241 etc. A binary system has only a 2 bits like 0 and 1, can be easily implemented in electronic circuits. Okay, the binary data can be easily implemented in the, especially for the, okay, electronic circuits, because our diodes and transistors will provide the on and off like 0 and 1. That means here 0 nothing but logic 0 and 1 nothing but logic 1. So diodes and transistors will conduct in forward bias and will half in the reverse bias. That means when it is on, it provide the output 1, when it is off, it provide the output 0, like is on and off, like as a switch. Okay, so electronic circuits easily provide this binary data. Okay, so we'll see one by one later on the classes. Let's have a look. See here the number based conversions, like especially I have taken here 4 types of number systems, like decimal number system. This could be called decimal number system. How do we call a decimal number system? Based on the number of letters or characters are there in particular number systems. If you observe in decimal number system, the decimal number starts from the 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 9. So all these numbers count is 10, named as decimal number. Okay, see, if you see the binary number, binary number has base 2. How do we call binary number base 2? Base nothing but number of characters are available in particular number system. Okay, so that is what are the numbers, what are the letters there available in binary number system? 0 comma 1. Hence its base is equal to 2. Similar way, if you do observe here, hexadecimal number system, there are 16 characters, 16 letters are available in hexadecimal number system. Hence its base is equal to 16. How do we call its, what are the letters? From 0 to 9, comma, A comma, B comma, C comma, D comma, E comma, F. So all these are up to 16 letters. So it is a hexadecimal has the base of 16. We used to call radix also. Okay, we used to call radix also, base nothing but radix also. So look into this octal number system. It has 8 characters. What are the 8 characters of the octal number? The name itself has the meaning. Octal means 8 letters. What are those? From 0 to 7. If you count from 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma and 7 all together under the octal number system. So how do we convert? See, observe this graph. We can convert each letter with their corresponding base. With their corresponding base, will go for the magnitude, and the column of the letters will for the count. Okay, we'll see one example. You can come to know easily. Okay, here we'll see one example. Represent binary number 1101.101 in power of 2 and find its decimal equivalent. And this is the way I will go for one example, and remaining all are for the same. The given number is in binary form. So let's count the column wise. 0, 1, 2, 3 letters are there in the binary, which is for the integer part. And if you look into that fractional part, 1, 0, 1. So the integer part has to go a power of positive values, and fractional part will be power of negative values for the base of the given number. So while equivalent its magnitude for the decimal with the given letter like binary number into its magnitude by base. Okay, so the given number is base number systems, so has the 3 letters from 0 to 3. So 1, the first number, the given number, this 1 has position at the 3rd place. The next letter has position at the 2nd place. Then 0 is position at 1 place. This first one position at the 0 place. Okay, so with this corresponding its magnitude will provide the its decimal equivalent. So like 1 into 2 power 3. If the given number is binary, reason I have written the base 2. If the given number is octal, I used to write 8. If the given number is hexa, I used to write 16. Okay, so the given number is binary, so I have taken it is base 2. Okay, so 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1. So plus 1 into 2 power 0. So it is 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, that is what integer part. So this 0 will not be considered for writing the steps in exam. Also you can directly skip it for easy of calculating the objectives. Plus, see, the fractional value goes to power of minus 1. So 1 into 2 power minus 1 plus 0 into 2 power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 power minus 3. The answer will be goes 6.62510. Okay, So now here let us see one more example. How do we convert given 634 octal? By seeing the base only I can call it as octal to binary. How do we convert the given number into binary? The my reflection question begins here. What is the base of octal number system? Think and respond it. What is the base of octal number system? Yeah, it is 8. As I told you, the base of octal number system is 8. So the examiner asking you to convert the given octal number into binary. So we should know the binary of the given number. What are the binary of given octal numbers? All the octal numbers can be expressed within a 3-bit of binary, within the 3-bit of binary. So we have to express the given octal number 634 has to be expressed a 3-bit of binary. So 6 binary is 110, 3 binary is 011, and 4 binary is 100. So while converting the given octal to binary should be right in 3-bit of binary only. We should not go for 4-bit of binary, because all the octal letters or characters can be written within the 3-bit of binary. So that is the reason we used to take only 3-bit of binary only. So altogether is the answer for the 634 octal to binary is 1100111100. Okay. The next one is convert 9b to 0.1a hexa, H for hexam. Okay, this is the given hexadecimal number system to its decimal equivalent, to its decimal equivalent. Okay, so here the don't get confused. If the examiner asking hexadecimal to binary, so directly you can write each digit of the given hexa into equivalent of 4-bit of binary. That could be your answer. But the examiner is asking here hexadecimal to hexa number to decimal number system. So for that, evaluating with the magnitude method. Okay, so this, let us count how many letters are there. 0 1 2 in the integer part. Okay, so 9 into this, 9 has position at where? 9 has position in which form? Hexa. Hexa means 16 is the base. So 9 into 16 power 2 plus b into 16 power 1 plus 2 into 16 power 0 plus the fractional values are plus 1 into 16 power minus 1 plus a into 16 power minus 2. A nothing but 10, here b nothing but 11. So those values are here. So total final answer goes to be 2482.110. Okay.